Alright, let the 3 screws all cut. These all have to be put in there before you can tighten it up, obviously, because they won't go all the way through. So these all have to be installed right now. And everything should go together. I don't have the other fork legs, so I can't put both sides and make sure they fit. Obviously, we know it fits from here to here, so I can take this leg and transfer to the other one and tell me if it'll fit or not. So we'll go ahead and do that too. First, I'm going to go and put these screws in here. Until they touch and back them off. So these are very easy to break. Strip them out. Watch your torque. It's the problem when you modify stuff like this. Limitations. Alright. That screw over there. Let's get this one out of the way. Okay, go ahead and scrape this up too bad. Alright. So we know what fits on this one side. So now I'm going to go ahead and flip this around to the other side and hopefully it'll be good. How about that? Fancy tripod. Okay, slide that one off. Slide onto this side here. Tighten those up slightly. And we'll see if this fits on there now. There you go. Precision machining. It's just like it's supposed to. It's good. Does have to be straight though. Okay. I'm just going to up just a tick. Not even a quarter of a turn. Slides off kind of hard. This one's got tension on it here, that's why. So you can knock the tension off, it goes pretty good. Takes very little effort to make those lock. Okay, good deal. Same deal on this, just very little undo them. Slide it off. Put it back on this side again. Torque, torque, torque. Check this side now. This one's going to be on this side here. Very minimum looseness. Worst case scenario, very, very little clearance on it right now. Slides right on like it's supposed to. Good deal. The other test we'll do is we'll go ahead and torque these down just a little bit. It's not this one. Let's see if it slides the other way. Yep. Slides right on in there like it's supposed to. Not sure how far that's supposed to stick out. Probably about that far. Torque, 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 torque. Now the moment shoot. Are we going to break this side or not by torquing it? Tight, tight. Pretty good torque. Pretty good torque. Pretty good. Torque pretty good. Not super tight, but they're tight. Just don't want to push them too far because once it breaks, you're done. So, all right, they're all assembled. Looks pretty good. So, here's what your brembo fork looks like. That goes to the outside, which is this direction, I'm assuming. There you go. It'll look pretty good on the bike. So it's a paioli, whatever that word is. Paioli. Brembo. Trees, I think were year one or something. Billet one. There's a name on them someplace, I thought, but maybe not. Either way, they're made to fit. 39 stretched to 43. So now it fits onto a Harley. No big deal. Don't know what the tubes are made for before, but made for a Harley now. I think it's going on to a Dyna or an FXL. I forget which one it is, but one of those two. Alright, there you go. All done up.